Oh my gosh. The hair is literally bending immediately. Do you realize how bad this is? I can't, oh my gosh. This is literally like the most, I've never seen this happen before. Wow. I can't even, okay, let me just show you an example. These are my scissors, right? These are the scissors that I sell, shop.thesalonguy.com. These are my official scissors right here, made with Japanese steel. I mean, it's like night and day. I just cannot believe what I just experienced. Gee, I mean, these things just like, boom, boom. They're supposed to like slowly, that's what this is for. But let's see, let me tighten this a little bit. I can't even tighten it. Wow. These feel like they're gonna fall apart. Oh my God. They feel like they're gonna fall apart within 3 minutes. I went on Amazon and I purchased these scissors, and I believe they were like $2.89 or something like that. I just am in complete shock by these. The fact that these are being sold as hair cutting shears. As you saw, I could not even get through the hair. They were bending already. Usually what happens with like actually good quality shears is after some period of time, the hair cutting shears will start to dull out, right? But I have never, I mean, look at this. If I go all the way in, then so that means that you have to, the risk of cutting your palm, cutting your fingers, because the only way to cut this is by going so far into the blade like this, that's the only way that these are actually going to cut. It's literally a safety hazard. And the fact that, I don't even know, the amount that have sold on Amazon of these shears should be like, I mean, it's like mind-blowing. Let me try even doing some layering. And the reason I'm doing this is simply because I get so many people who say, oh, I want to cut, they watch my videos so they can learn how to cut hair, and cut hair at home. But look at this. When you cut, it's not even cutting. When you cut hair, the proper way to cut hair is the tips. The tips of the shears should be cutting, okay? And even if I go, look what that's doing. It's pushing the hair forward. This is what happens when you're using professional or actually good quality shears, and then you have to get them sharpened. The first thing a scissor sharper is going to do is he's going to actually look at the shears and where they're dull. And usually they look for right here. There's a couple of different tests to do it. Now, if you are trying to cut hair and you literally have like $5 for a budget to spend on hair cutting shears, the only way you can make these even work is by going in so far down in here that the risk of cutting your finger or your hand is like tenfold. You're also not going to get precision cutting. And what's happening is, it's bending, it's not bending, the hair. It's cutting, it's not cutting. It's so inconsistent that, one time here I'm getting a decent cut. The next time I'm not getting a cut at all. So you may think, oh, like here, let's just take another example back here of me doing like a layered hair section right here. I'm just going to pull this straight up and I'm going to cut this, right? If you cut this like this, it's causing uneven. Now to you it may look perfectly even, but I know it's cutting uneven. Look what happens. See right there? It bends the hair. Right there. It's bending the hair. So because I'm so used to my shears and high quality shears, this is an absolute like monstrosity. Now again, keep in mind I'm a professional. So will this cut hair? I guess, to be honest with you. But is it going to give you precise haircuts? I wouldn't go that far. And the individual selling this, no disrespect to him or their company or he or she, whatever. It's just that, people want to go and shop and they want something for the most inexpensive price. And then they're gonna realize like, oh, like unless I do them a certain way, you know, because I know shears and I know how haircutting shears work, somebody may buy these and go like this and go, oh my gosh, like it's not even cutting. The fact that it's doing this off of the first time I'm using these scissors, I mean, look at this. I have to keep chomping and chomping. This means that they'll go dull and won't even cut in probably another haircut or two. They're probably lasting you maybe one haircut, if that. So when it comes to professional shears, yes, the ones that I sell are a bit of a price jump and increase. However, they're a lot sharper. These are professional shears. I invested quite a bit of money into having these made. And also, if you do purchase the shears that I have, you're going to also get a free video on how to use them. So just reach out to me if you purchase them, and you can use code YouTube20 for 20% off, and I'll DM you the link to the video. It's a private video that you get from me about understanding haircutting and how to utilize shears and things like that. So I just couldn't believe it that this stuff like this exists out there, and it's pretty wild. So yeah, I tried these $2.89 or $2.99 shears that I got on Amazon, and yeah, I would pretty much steer clear. So if you want to purchase mine, use code YouTube20. That's YouTube20 at shop.thesalonguy.com. Thanks for watching. I'll see you soon.